I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting GG GameSpace installed and signed in. This puts your AWM workflow under one roof. Once done, grant storage, overlay, and accessibility permissions so the app can control and optimize inputs. Next, create an AWM profile for your weapon. Pick the target game, choose performance presets, and assign touch or key mappings. You're not tweaking everything yet. You're establishing the controlled profile that lets later steps apply precise aiming, recoil control, and scripts safely and consistently. You now dive into the middle setup, mapping AWM aim and fire to stable inputs. First, map primary aim, secondary aim, and fire to reliable touch zones or external keybinds. Consistency matters. Then adjust sensitivity, smoothing, and recoil compensation stepwise. Small increments reduce overshoot. Make sure to enable conditional triggers or angle limits so AWM behaves only when you intend. Finally, test these settings in a non-ranked match to observe actual spread and vertical drift. Then iterate based on what you record. You finish by locking the profile, saving backups, and enabling auto-launch so GG GameSpace applies AWM automatically. Once active, monitor latency and CPU usage. If you see microstutter or missed inputs, lower graphical or sample rates to stabilize performance. Make sure logging is on for one session so you can trace odd behavior. If anything goes wrong, unexpected recoil or aim drift, revert to your saved backup. Reapply one change at a time, and retest until you isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.